Thank you, Keon. Now, in a dramatic turn of events, the Eastern High School's Athletics Championships was postponed on the night before the start of the championships after having their initial approval rescinded by the government. The Central Athletics Championships has also been postponed.
All had looked set on Monday for the Eastern Athletics Championships to go ahead on Tuesday at the National Stadium as scheduled. But at approximately 9 p.m. on Monday, with the teams having had their final meetings in preparation for the meet, news came that the meet would be postponed until further notice, with the government rescinding prior approval. The official reason for the approval being rescinded was also not given to the organizers, which led to questions, especially with the corporate area development meet being held only 3 days earlier. This news also came just 24 hours after local government minister Desmond McKenzie gave track and field's local governing body, the J3As, high marks for its handling of the development meets. But when TVJ Sports caught up with J3's president Gov't, he explained that a recent surge in COVID-19 cases was given as the reason by the government.
The government representative advised that the present 42% spike in the coronavirus pandemic played a large part in their determination for the withdrawal of approval for the staging of the regional championships.
It has also led to the postponement of the Central Championships, which was scheduled for this Wednesday and Thursday.
So going forward, all events have been postponed. I repeat, all events have been postponed, including the Eastern Championships. The various chairpersons of each of these events are quickly meeting to review and to reassess the situation. And once they have returned to the J3s, we will then return to the government for their approval.
But the last-minute cancellation of the Eastern Championships has left schools disappointed and in anguish, including defending champions St. Mary High and their coach Dwayne Williams.
I am in a state of disbelief right now and devastated. When I got the news, it was after 9 going to 10 o'clock last night, and I was actually in a team meeting going through the respective protocols and stuff like those, and boosting up the athletes because we knew we could have defended our title. So when I did, persons cried out and say again and again, what next? So it is very frustrating.
And the cancellation of the meet could also negatively impact their preparation for the boys and girls championships.
I don't know whether to quit now or whether to continue, because it is very difficult to convince them to continue to train in a time of uncertainty, because they are saying to me that suppose we continue to train and the same thing happen for boys and girls. And I cannot answer those questions. I know that we're in serious times, so I am trying to make them understand. But it is very difficult. It is very difficult, trust me.
The other regional meet on the calendar, the Western Athletics Championships, is scheduled for March 31 at St. Elizabeth Technical. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.